Hello, and welcome to the latest RSpace Inventory update. In this update, we focused on improving barcode functionality by allowing you to print and batch edit barcodes. Let's get started with batch editing of barcodes. To get started, first select multiple items. In this case, I'll select 2 subsamples. Then click Batch Edit. Scroll down within the batch editing menu to find the barcode section, and make sure to hit Batch Edit this field. Then click the plus icon to start scanning. You'll then be prompted to scan your QR code, which will automatically register. Hit Save, and make sure to hit Save on the batch editing interface to make sure that your samples are successfully updated. Let's check. Go down to your subsamples. Sure enough, your barcode is there. Next, we'll be looking at printing of barcodes. To get started, select one or multiple items. I'm going to select multiple. Click on the 3 dots and hit Print Barcode. You'll then be given some options: Basic for the image only, Standard including an image and a description, and a Full option which includes an image, description and record details. You can also choose whether to print it small, medium or full. Currently we only support printing to generic printers, but soon we'll have support for zebra printers as well. Hit Print Selected and this will open your browser's printing interface. Select the printer you want to print on and you're good to go. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.